Hey there, boo. Welcome to my channel. Today's wig is brought to you by Royal Me. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig and also their direct store. Also, if they have any social media links, I'll be sure to link it below as well. The only thing that came in the box was my wig in this clear plastic baggie. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. It comes in this half up, half down style, and they pre-colored the hair, which was inspired by Kim K. The hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots come bleached. The parting looks really nice on this unit. This is what the inside of the wig look like. You get your 13x6 lace parting space that is also attached with a fake scalp. The fake scalp color that I have is light brown. Behind the parting space, you got 3 combs and another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. It also comes with a removable adjustable strap, so you don't have to wear the strap that it comes with if you don't want to. So this is me trying the wig on straight out of the box, and let me just state a few things about this wig real quick. The hair length on this wig is 16 inches, hair density 150%, cap size medium, and like I said, the fake scalp that I have is light brown. The half up, half down style that it comes in was a little bulky, so I'm just going in and fixing it up my way. So first I'm going to take my Andis hot comb, and the highest temperature that I have it on is 200 degrees. After that, I'm going to take my first wig's flyaway tamer, and I just use this to smooth down the flyaways. And then I'm going to go back in again with my Andis hot comb on 200 degrees and just use the hot comb to smooth out the product and melt it into the hair. This really helps give it a nice, soft, silky look and kind of help it lay flat. I'm not gonna lie to you, in the end I didn't get it as flat as I wanted, but I still tried and it still came out cute. So now I'm going in with some heat protectant, and the one that I'm using is Neuro Style. This is by Paul Mitchell. I'm just going to spray this all over the hair. Then I'm going to take my Babyliss Prima 3000 and put it on the temperature 410 and just go in and straighten out the hair real quick. Also, I'm so sorry that you guys can't see me using the flat iron all the way down. I did not know the camera was so close. I forgot I got it close for when I was doing the half up, half down style. But you guys get the picture. Y'all know how to flat iron some hair. And this is the end result, and I love the color. Like, Royal Me did a beautiful job on the coloring. Now I'm just going in and cutting the lace, and I'm cutting right along the hairline, but the angle I was positioned in and my mirror, and I'm trying to get this on camera, wasn't really working. So halfway I'm gonna stop cutting the lace along the hairline and then finish it off camera. But so far it is melting, and there's not even no glue, no tape, no gel, no nothing, no spray. So now that I went ahead and I cut the lace, I'm just going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 340 and apply some of this powder underneath the lace. But only to the lace, not to the fake scalp. Now I'm going to take my 70% rubbing alcohol and this paper towel, sorry again for the lens flare, like I don't know what's going on with my camera, and I'm just going to take some of that and clean my hairline, wipe off all that makeup and etc. You guys, be careful with this Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast spray. It almost took my eye out. Like, I was like, oh snap, it almost splashed in my eye. So, you know, just be careful with it because it's known for being a little messy. So after I spray the Got To Be Glue Freeze Bar spray, I just go with my blow dryer on cool just to dry it and make it a little tacky. Then I press the lace into where I just sprayed, and then I'm going to go in and spray the top of that lace again, and then go in with the blow dryer so it can dry. Let me not forget to mention, I am not doing all of the hairline. I am only doing from the temple down to the ear tabs. Like, I really don't like glue or gel or anything all over my hairline. If there's a way I can prevent it, if that lace is blending really good and I could just leave the forehead out of it, then I will definitely do it. But this is just a wig show and tell. You don't have to do this. You could install it how you want. You could add an elastic band. You could do what it do, baby, because it looks good. Even without me spraying all over the hairline, so far it's looking good. So now I'm just going to go in and style my baby hairs. I'm keeping it simple. I'm only doing 2 baby hairs, which is on the temple. This right here is my end results on the unit, and I like the half up half down style, but I feel like I still have to go in and redo the top and make it just a little bit more flatter, and I need like a rubber band to really hold and grip the hair. If you ever need a good ponytail, I'm telling you, rubber bands really get the job done. It's not good to really use rubber bands in your hair, but if you do, all you have to do is just take a scissor and cut it right off when you're ready to take it out. But this wig is really nice at the half up, half down style, and the color is so gorgeous. But I am dying to know what it looks like as a middle part, so I'm going to take the hair down and let's get into that. This right here is pretty much my end results, and if you are interested in this wig or any wig on the website, insert a coupon code, which is Keira, for 10% off your purchase. So my quick thoughts on this wig. This wig did not have much shedding, to be very, very honest. Like, I'm very impressed. I had 0 tangles. As for the lace blends really nice, and that fake scalp looks bomb.com. All right, like really good. The hair texture is on the silky side, but I like it. It's really soft and it has a nice shine to it. And I don't really have no product on the hair except for that heat protective spray and the flyaway tamer at the top. Like I said before, the length is 16 inches. My height is 5'6". As for the lace, I only did, like I said, from the temple to the ear tab, and it blends really nicely, especially for this wig show and tell. Like, I really like it a lot. I love it, and I totally recommend. So they should be also having a Black Friday sale, so feel free to check that out. And there's more info in the description box. I love it. Thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.